Welcome to Nighttime Chats with Emily. Not sure if this is going to be a regular thing or not, but usually I make videos when I feel inspired, and most of the time it's when I'm right in the middle of doing something like driving or with a client or in the middle of cooking dinner. And I'm going to try to make it a habit to start capturing these moments when they are occurring. So there's a lot going on right now with the pandemic and with COVID, and fears are rising, worry is rising. And I just want to remind everybody that we have an amazing immune system. And right now our immune systems are doing an up-leveling. Some immune systems are not able to handle this shaking out, and that's really unfortunate on many levels, and it's tough. It is a tough virus. I'm not discrediting the toughness of this virus, but I also surrender to Mother Nature and know that everything is always working out perfectly in every situation. I know I've had several friends recently come down with it, so some have already healed from it, have cleared a negative test, some are still healing from it. I did get tested personally myself. I am negative, but I just want to remind everybody we have an amazing immune system, and its superpowers are more incredible than what we give it credit for. So what I was pondering on this evening is, during this pandemic time and other stressful times that we have gone through in our lives, there is a lot of self-medicating. And self-medicating can be done in several ways. I'm speaking more of toxic ways of alcohol, substance abuse, drugs, any sort of addiction you want to name. I mean, there's shopping addictions, there's, sugar addictions, whatever you want to label it as. And what it was I was reflecting on tonight is when I started doing more of my own self-care work and receiving more regular chiropractic treatments, receiving more massage therapy, doing more of some of this work on my own as well as meditation, yoga. But what really hit home for me was when I went and got those personal treatments, the chiropractic treatments, the massage therapy treatments, having that human touch and the power of touch, and just, I'm getting truth bombs just speaking about it, and just somebody taking their hands and placing them on you in such a loving and humbling and holding space way. The power of healing in that is so amazing, and so much of why I got into my practice of what I got into with massage therapy and sharing the healing power of touch. It's just amazing what it does for people. And if you have never experienced touch therapy, whether it come in a form of massage therapy, Reiki, BEST treatments, which is bioenergetic synchronization technique, chiropractic work, there are so many touch modalities out there. Finding what works for you, I invite you to explore that. I also invite you into my practice at Indy North Massage Therapy, which is a very safe place for healing. Every session is very customizable, and we meet you exactly where you are. I know I especially specialize in emotional trauma, being a victim myself of some very traumatic experiences in my life, yet not staying in victimhood, moving into thrivinghood and healing from those experiences. I very much support touch therapy to help people to heal through these traumatic experiences, through these very devastating times, through these very stressful times. And touch therapy supports the immune system so much, because what we're wanting to try to do is to decrease these stress levels, because as we know, stress is the number one cause of dis-ease, dysfunctions, ailments, sickness. So we really want to be immune supporting therapists, and that's exactly what it is I do, is helping to support the immune system so the immune system can thrive and to harmonize and to be able to function how it's supposed to function. So in these times, I invite you to move from fear-based into thrivinghood, and when your immune system is at we'll say a normal level for yourself, because normal is different for everybody, come in and get this support, come in and get this touch therapy and be supported through this healing process so we can continue to support our immune systems. And when we do the work ourselves, it creates this ripple effect to be able to help support others as well. So as we continue to support ourselves, we support others in return as well. So that's what I wanted to share with you on Emily's Night Talk. Let's support ourselves so we can continue to support one another and support our immune systems and continue to thrive, survive, and harmonize with self and one another. So sending all the love and blessings out to everybody, and happy immune systems. Take care.